Somebody asked me how I stay in shape while traveling. The answer is I don't. I am in the worst physical condition of my life, but make the best of it. Traveling, fitness do not combine well. Start the morning right with some Eggs Benedict. Ain't that right? Alright guys, we're off on our first day trip to the waterfall.
Your guide today.
Awesome.
And Alma also.
Yeah.
Two guys. Guys, look, it's a goat on the side of the road.
So the steps.
So we have arrived at the base of Casaroro Falls, and I don't know how far of a hike it is to get there, but we're gonna do it. Ronny's got his drone, we have an underwater camera, I've got my GH4, we're fully equipped. Yeah, ladies first. Yeah, it's gonna be so much worse coming up. Higher than I've ever been. 350 steps later. Ada, built for life, built for exploration. So there used to be a pathway leading up to here, and I guess they got 3 typhoons in a row, and that's what happened. Normally the sun has to pull out the blues, but even in the shade, there's like this blue hue to the water. We have arrived at the waterfall. 135 feet. Did you say 135? 137. Thank you, Jayan. You're on the hook for this one, Jayan. Wow. There's a bunch of locals just like hanging out by the waterfall. And they're probably all like 13 to 15 years old. They just keep saying hi to me and waving, and then as soon as I look, they like turn around because they're really shy. The people here are just so nice. I love the Philippines. Let's try it again. See, the problem is we have no GPS right now, so any wind will push it off course because it doesn't know where it is. So right now we're flying manually and trying to get the perfect shot, but it's not easy. Drone hero right here, doing its best. We're going in there. I feel so good after swimming in there. The water is actually like a really refreshing temperature, so it's kind of cold at first, but you adapt pretty quick. Water here is fresh for drinking, so there's a village called Valencia that's just around here, and they drink the water straight out of the river, which you cannot do in most parts of Asia, so pretty cool. Yeah, if we get to the top. 350 steps, let's go.
Come on.
Take your time.
Come on.
I'll send help. There he is again, the guy with the monkey. We saw him swimming yesterday. Hey, look at them. That's the life. Just living in the Philippines, chilling with your monkey. We're back at Atmosphere Resort, and we're just gonna take about a 2-hour downtime, gonna get some lunch, and then after that we're going to Apo Island. So part 2 of our amazing day here in Dumaguete. Look at that. This is exactly how I feel about the resort. Tumblr, white girl goals. All aboard the pride and joy of the Atmosphere, the Victoria. Not all heroes wear capes. Drone heroes. Amazing day so far, guys. And now we're enjoying some beautiful drinks, as well as getting some awesome video for the resort. If you own a hotel, call Ronny and I. We're the dream team. We are now going into Dumaguete with Alma, and Alma was one of our tour guides today. All aboard the jeepney, my first jeepney of the trip. Freedom. We gotta drop off. Alright, so we're now in Dumaguete City, and to get here probably took us about 45 minutes with the jeepney. My hair is crazy. It cost us 20 pesos, which is probably like, I think that's half a dollar, like half a US dollar. So in other words, it's pretty much free to get around on public transportation. To get back, we'll have to take a tricycle, and that will cost us around 300, so like 10 US dollars, but still, considering how far you're going, everything here is cheap. So we got the fake kicks. Wow. I haven't seen Fox since I was in like high school. We are going to the world of wings for Wing Wednesday. So this is San Miguel beer, and it literally tastes like Corona. It's delicious. Oh, he's gonna make the move. He made it. This will be me in 30 years.
Very scary.
Why not?
Yes.
Why not?
Why not?
I love it.
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
The only thing better than karaoke is laser karaoke. Why not?
Why not?
2 for 1 every Wednesday.
Seems like it's pretty.
Alright, we invented a game here.
It's called
Canadian rules. It's dice. Very creative name. I'm calling 8. If we get an 8, Alma's drinking it all. Ah, Alma! 3 drinks. Alright guys, there's only one number left. 7. Let's see if we can get it 2 in a row. All for Alma.
Alma, what?
Oh,
That's reroll, right?
Just leaving the club now. Actually pretty fun. Dumaguete's not exactly party central, but it was a good time. The band is actually so talented. We're gonna go check out another one, but realistically it's probably the end of the night. It's only Wednesday and it's only 11 o'clock. We're now at Dumaguete's second hottest club, Revive. Revive. Feel alive with Revive. I just requested Toxic by Britney Spears.
It seems like they're not listening.
Oh, they're not playing it? This isn't Toxic. Alright, just left Revive. Now we have a 45-minute ride home back to Atmosphere Resorts. And this is our friend.
What's your name?
Food, drinks and drinks and drinks. Cost us $15 per person. Like, this is way cheaper than Bangkok if you include alcohol. The alcohol at that last club was $1.50, less than $1.50 US at the club. This is Robert. Please make it. I can't believe we made it.
Made it.
We got a fat tip for Robert.
I want to make a photo with me and Robert.
That was like the slowest ride back ever. It probably took us at least an hour and like 10 minutes. Robert was doing his best, but his motorcycle was really struggling. All right guys, I'm just about to go to bed. That's the end of the vlog for tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. You didn't really think I'd forget, did you? All right guys, make sure you don't leave the house without a compass, otherwise you'll get lost. Good night. Make sure you leave the house without a compass so you do get lost. Have a good night, guys. When you're in a foreign town, ask for a map, otherwise you'll get lost. Good night, guys. Have a good night, and let's get lost again tomorrow.